Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two fundraising platform, which is Donorbox and Givebutter. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Donorbox is a sleek fundraising platform built for non-profit that wants simplicity and speed. It supports recurring donation, peer-to-peer campaign, and integrates easily with sites like WordPress and Squarespace. The checkout is smooth and its global payment support makes it ideal for international donors. Givebutter, on the other hand, stands out with its zero platform fee model, modern design, and social style donation pages. It's great for community fundraising but can feel less powerful for long-term donor management. So in conclusion, Donorbox is best for structured campaign with recurring support, while Givebutter shines for engaging one-time social campaign. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.